Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Lauren. You can call me Lo or Lolo. If you are not new here, if you are coming back, girl, to see what I got going on, hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. This is a video that is highly requested. I see a lot of views, likes, comments when I do it on Instagram or on TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram or TikTok, go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and talk in the comments when y'all ready. So this is a hygiene video. It is the end of the summer, y'all, but that does not mean hygiene stops just because the season is about to be over. I am a girl over 30, so things change. Once I hit 30, things have definitely transformed with my body, mentally, physically, spiritually, everything. But today in this video, we talking about that hygiene, that clean girl, smell good. What do you got going on hygiene? The number one thing that is going to be the base of you smelling good, feeling good, and everything, because not only is your hygiene connected to your body odor and things of that nature, but it's also connected to your mental, because when you're not good over here or down here, then your mental is not good. So let's get straight into it. Let's go ahead and try to start off strong. I usually take a shower 2 times a day, and my main shower starts off with a antibacterial soap. You can use a Dial, you can use Dove, you can use Detox, whatever antibacterial soap that you prefer. Go ahead and use that. I work out maybe 6 times a week, so for me it is very imperative that I do go ahead and use an antibacterial soap, because I don't want that extra stuff from the gym or whatever the case to be on my skin still. So I start off heavy with the antibacterial soap, and I've actually been loving this African net sponge that my sister got me, because baby, when I tell you, like, brand new skin all over the place, that sponge is no joke. A wash rag could not do what that sponge has done. So if you are interested in that, definitely go ahead and look into African net sponges, see what the benefits are. If you like it, get it. If you don't, move on. After I use my antibacterial soap, I'm going to go into a moisturizing soap. I'm using the Dove sensitive soap because I am a sensitive girl and I need that extra moisture. The moisture is coming from the antibacterial, but why not put some extra moisture on top? So I'm using my sensitive soap, and sometimes I'll go ahead and mix those together with my next favorite cleansing soap, which is the Dr. Bronner's. I use the baby scent Dr. Bronner's only because I feel like it just gives you that extra squeaky clean. Like, yes, I'm getting the bacteria off. I'm adding that extra moisture with the sensitive Dove soap, but now I'm getting that extra clean feel with the Dr. Bronner's. They have millions of different scents, but the baby skin is good for me and my family. It is scent free. It just makes me feel super clean and super, like, just like my body is just brand new right after that soap. After I wash my body down, I may go ahead and shave if I need to do that. So I'll just go ahead and get my razors. I like the ones with the moisturizer at the top and the bottom of the razor, and I have to use a 5-blade razor. If it's not a 5-blade razor, I don't want it. I feel like it's just not worth it. It just gives you that extra close shave that I really, really like, and so I'll go ahead and go into that. I recently picked up this body wash from Target. The scent of it is a white jasmine and vanilla. When I tell you, the moment that I smelled that body wash, I said, no, I have to have it. Of course, I love vanilla, but I never smelled any white jasmine and vanilla together, and it was so, so, so good. So I lather up in this as well. It's really, really good. I'll use my wash rag for this because it is scented, and I'll just go over the rest of my body with this. And it's not an everyday thing. It's just when I feel like, you know, I want to have a scent to my skin before I go to bed or whatever the case may be. This is something that I will go ahead and grab and use. Now let's get into face wash. Now, I've been going through some major changes with my skin. I don't know what's been happening. I'm trying to figure that part out. But my face wash is usually the same every single time. I use a turmeric soap and a black soap. And since it's down to the wire, I just put them on top of each other, and I'll just lather my hands together and just wash my face all over with these two. I love black soap because it is a natural exfoliant, but it also, for my skin, I feel like it's worked for so long. and clearing up my skin. And also the turmeric soap has brightened it up a notch as well. So I really, really like these two soaps. They're super natural. They're amazing. I do still use my Pure cleanser as well, but I've been heavy on the black soap and the turmeric soap because it just does what needs to be done. Lately I've been going in with my daily micro exfoliant. I really like it. I really like it. I stopped using it for a while because I was actually going to an esthetician and getting my face, getting facials on a monthly basis. But now that I have not done that in a while, I went back to this daily micro exfoliant. I do not use it every day. Just because it says daily doesn't mean it's an everyday thing, because we already know the skin on our face is super thin, super sensitive, and you don't want to keep ripping and tearing into your skin because it honestly makes it drier and worse. So I do love it because it's very interesting. Not an exfoliator that I've ever had for my skin. You would just simply pour it in your hand, rub it together, make a paste, and then go ahead and exfoliate your face and wash it off. And it's literally baby butt soft the moment that you wash all that exfoliant off your face. Once I get out the shower, my number one go-to is definitely going to be witch hazel. If you don't know, if you've been under a rock, witch hazel is going to take that odor away. Yes, we washed our body. We got squeaky clean. We did all those things. But let's keep it real. If you are someone who has crevices, bigger breasts, for me, I've had C-sections, so my stomach is big, a little bit bigger at the bottom. So if I catch any sweat under there or anything like that, any crevices that I have, I don't want odor to come from that. So I usually go ahead and get a little cotton pad. I will squirt some of my toner on it. Or if I have the toner wipes, the witch hazel wipes, I will go ahead and use those. But if I don't have them, I will use a little cotton round, some witch hazel, squirt it on there, and I'll use it on my face. I'll get another one, use it on my armpits, and then I'll get another one for the inside of my thighs, under my stomach, and in between my butt. And I feel like that has changed the game for me. I literally wake up, go to sleep, no odor. If you sweat at night, this is going to be something that is amazing for you because it literally swipes the odor away. It is no joke, y'all. Like, this has to be probably one of my top rated products. When I say I have to use this product, I have to use it because it just changed everything for me. Now that I've done all those things, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my body. I either use a coconut oil or I use a Vaseline. Now, we know the coconut oil is thin. It is moisturizing. It's just quick and easy. Vaseline is super thick. It's going to take a while to go ahead and put it on your body, not to soak in your skin, but to put on your body. And it is a little bit more moisturizing, in my opinion, than the coconut oil. But the coconut oil it's something faster and it's still moisturizing for me. So for myself, I'll either use a coconut oil or I will use a Vaseline as my base moisturizer. For my skin, I'm going to use this Pond's moisturizer. I've been liking it a lot lately. It definitely does keep my skin super moisturized that I've been feeling. But if I'm not using the Pond's, I would just go in with the Vaseline as well, like I do for my body. If I'm feeling a little sexy, feeling a little, I want to smell good, look good, whatever, when it's time to go to bed, I will go ahead and grab my EOS. I am obsessed with these two scents. They are so, so, so good. I've smelled the pistachio. I've smelled the other ones. I've smelled the Christmas versions, but none of them hit like this. Like, now, I'm a grown lady, a mid-30s lady. Not even mid, I'm almost to the mid. But in my 30s, and I want to smell yummy and edible, but I also want to smell like fresh and clean. So these two lotions are so good. Not only are they moisturizing, but they're thick and they smell so good to me. Like, literally your sheets, your blanket, everything. Like, get in the bed next to your man, he's going to be like, what is that? He's going to eat you up. Point blank, period. These two scents are too good. You can get them from Target. I'm pretty sure they have them in Walmart. You can get them offline, wherever. These are too good, y'all. And of course, the star of the show is obviously putting on something that makes you feel good. If you are a commando sleeper, which all females should be, because we got to let her breathe, y'all. Let her breathe. Let her breathe. I will either put on a long robe to make me feel comfortable, because at night, I'm breathing. Or if I want to find a cute little pajama set, I'm going to throw that on to make me feel good, y'all, because we are romanticizing ourselves. Not only are we trying to smell good, feel good, all those things, we are romanticizing ourselves. Our nightly and our morning routines, we're romanticizing because it's going to allow you to it's going to make you want to keep doing it, make you want to keep elevating it, make you want to keep trying things and seeing what really works for you and what stopped working for you. That's why it's so important to make sure that your hygiene is on point. Not everything works for everyone, and not everything is for everyone. So that's why it's trial and error. You try it. But once you find those products that you know works for you in that routine and in the order and how you want to do it, then it's over. The game is over. Like, you've changed it for yourself. So y'all, I just wanted to go ahead and thank you so much for listening to this video. If you have any hygiene tips, any products that I have not talked about in here, or any products for my 30+ ladies that you realize, oh, this don't work for me no more, this changed for my body, so I need to use this, drop it down in the comments, y'all, because your girl needs to know. We need to know. We are a community. We need to know what's going on, what's making us feel good, all of the tea, because why not? Like, we're here for each other. So y'all, if you like this video, if you are interested in more videos like this, drop it down below. Tell me your products. Tell me your most unhinged hacks to keep that hygiene on point. Like, let me know down below, y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.